Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I have a joyful moment to share with you. We're gonna make banana ice cream. All you need are bananas. So I have 3 bananas here. I'm gonna peel them, and I'm gonna cut them in half here. Just kind of pull them apart and stick them on a plate. All 3 of them. When I'm done with this, I'm gonna stick it in the freezer for a couple hours. Okay, you want these nice and frozen, okay? I'm gonna go stick these in the freezer. After a couple hours, when they come out of the freezer, they're ready. So I have my blender here, and I'm gonna stick these frozen bananas in the blender. All right, now I'm gonna turn it on. All right, I think it's done. Let's go ahead and take it out. All right, let's see what it's like. Oh, this looks so good. You're gonna need a spoon. Just dish this right into a bowl, or I have a cone. I'm gonna put mine right into my ice cream cone. Oh man, this looks so yummy. I even have enough to share with someone else. So there's my banana ice cream. If you want to add some extra yumminess to it, you could put sprinkles on it. You could even add chocolate sauce into the ice cream. So yummy. Let me taste it. Mmm, so good.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.